How to download courses on Whop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download courses on Whop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and once you're inside, simply head over to the whoop.com. And now here, once you're inside the Whoop website, simply make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're logged in, just click on Discover tab and here you will find wide variety of digital products including courses offered by different creators. So Whoop is a platform where creators can sell digital products like courses, communities, services and much more. So here to download a course, you'll first need to have access to it. So if the course is paid, you need to purchase it and some course might be free so you can explore and grab those without paying. And here once you have completed the purchase or claimed a free one, you will get a full access to the course materials. And after accessing the course, you can check if there is download button or link available. So this could include videos, PDF documents, other downloadable resources, but keep in mind that download options depend on how the course creators had set it up. If downloads are allowed, you will see a button or file link, so you just need to tap or click on it to start the download. And once downloaded, you can access your course material on your device anytime, even offline. And that's it. That's how you can download courses from Whoop quickly and easily. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.